After the pandemic outbreak, customer behavior has been changed and online ordering is booming. Your restaurant can create a digital menu by using this system. Your customers can scan the QR code from their tables and place dine-in orders. They can also access your menu link or scan the QR code to place delivery and takeaway orders. Once the customer scans the QR code from a particular table number, they will see a menu like this. You can show promotions to your customers. The menu itself has amazing look and feel. You can add unlimited number of menu items. Your customers can navigate between different categories. They can add items into the cart. They can see the total bill prior making their orders. They can confirm the order. Order will be received here instantly. Your customers can also call the waiter by clicking this button. Your customers can see real-time order status. The menu itself has lots of other amazing features. Your customers can navigate between veg and non-veg menu. Your customers can see their order history. They can check your contact details. They can call to your restaurant, send you an email, and even go to your location by clicking on this button. They can even check your Wi-Fi password. You can also place social media links on your menu so you can grab your customers to your social media platforms. You can also do cross-selling and upselling. So once your customer will add an item into the cart, you can show recommendations to your customers, which can increase the value of each order. You can also mention different sizes, for example, small, medium, and large. You can create different categories, for example, breakfast. On the left hand side, using this dashboard, you can update your menu instantly. You can manage your multiple branches and create managers. You can define taxes and service fee by using this option. You can create categories and subcategories for your menu items yourself. You can create discounts and coupons for your customers. You can update menu items instantly. Also, you can activate and deactivate existing menu items, or you can add new items by clicking on this button. You can also edit existing menu items. You can mention description for each of your menu items. You can even define the start time and end time of any menu item. You can mark item as a bestseller, which will be shown at the top of the menu. You can change the prices and even offer discounts. You can create QR codes anytime using this option. Also, you can check the scan report of how many customers have scanned the QR code of your menu or how many customers have accessed your menu link from your social media platforms. You can manage all takeaway, dine-in, and delivery orders. You can check order logs. You can check sales reports and analytics. You can export your sales report in Excel or PDF file. You can check analytics about dine-in, takeaway, and delivery orders. Your customers can even submit the feedback using the menu interface. You will be collecting all this data and you can utilize this data for your future promotions. Your customers can also place takeaway and delivery orders by using this link. This link you can place on your social media platforms. Once the customer will access the menu, they can add items into the cart. They can select order type as takeaway and delivery. While selecting delivery, they can confirm the order, enter their details. Once they confirm the order, they can add new address. This is integrated with Google Maps so they can pinpoint exact their location and save the address. Once the customer places the order, you will be receiving a prompt notification and customer can track the order. We also have a driver application to deliver the orders. The code menu is also integrated with built-in cloud POS system. This is the only POS system in which your customers and waiters both can place their orders. Waiters can place their orders as they usually do, and customer can place their orders by scanning the QR code for dining or by accessing the menu link for takeaway and delivery orders. It's an all-in-one restaurant management system. You do not need any additional hardware. You can use any laptop or computer or even tablet to manage the dashboard. Even you can update menu using your smartphone. Thank you for watching the video. Bye for now.